What's going on, boys? It's my 68-inch Snap-on Epic toolbox. We're doing Mercedes-Benz clutch assemblies when you got to pull the flywheel off. 6-liter Ford injectors, as many as you know if you have Snap-on Torx. 40T standard isn't long enough. Crow's feet, 3/8, half-inch crow's feet. Stud extractors. All the 1-inch sockets for doing big truck wheels. All Snap-on sockets. These impacts are all gray pneumatic, half-inch Snap-on, gray pneumatic. All Snap-on here, all Snap-on. All this Snap-on. These mid-lengths are Matco. Fucking got them on sale for like $120 a rail. Cheap. Oh, those are the twist sockets. Snap-on American. Snap-on Shorty, gear wrench, Snap-on Shorty, Snap-on Metric, Craftsman long ones, just because I don't use them as much. Same over there. These are just homemade wrenches. Homemade wrenches cut down for stuff I need. Screwdrivers. Long picks, radiator picks, but I don't use them for that. Serpentine belt tool, specialty ones also for doing trucks, like doing cat motors, Cummins motors, M11s, M14s. Yeah, just kind of useless information drawer where all my work orders go and catalogs. Pliers. 6-liter fan clutch tool, cam holder for doing cam sprockets for forklifts. .3/8 torque wrench, rethreader, CJ8 puller for Cummins motors and smaller ones, also used for Perkins. Bolt grip puller kit, homemade brackets, lady feet, half-inch torque wrench, Snap-on. Universal carbide bits I got in there. Die grinders, 3/8 snapper, half-inch Snap-on, 3/8 MG31, the fucking Mac Tools Aircat, well, made by Aircat. The big dick fucking Snap-on, air hammer, needle gun, half-inch drill, blow gun, yeah. Grinder, breaker bar, that's a fucking bore brush kit. There's a Matco, the big 75-piece tap and die. Slide hammer kit, this one is actually, I bought from Mac, but I don't think Mac made it, can't remember. Dual piston antifreeze battery testers. This has miscellaneous fittings in it from hydraulic stuff. Welding sleeve, welding respirator, coarse grinder, I think I already said that. Big puller, the gear teeth are there. Extensions, all ratchets are Snap-on, all the regular extensions and these 3/8 ones, which come in handy because I kept breaking all my Snap-on ones. Well, kept cracking the sides of them, didn't really break, but Matco lock-in extensions, half-inch Snap-on, quarter, 3/8 impacts. Yeah, I mean, you guys get the fucking drift. Now, a breaker bar, if you want a cheap one, I've had this one for 6 years. It's a Harbor Freight one, $12. I haven't broken it yet. And I had a 3-foot cheater bar on there breaking head bolts loose for 6 liters. Yeah, you can pretty much see. Slack adjusters, slack adjuster adjustment. This is for checking your fork ties. Tubing bender, that's a fucking cheapo dial caliper kit. It works for what I do. I'm not machining anything. Yeah, files for an Eaton transmission cover when you gotta do clutch assemblies. Seal puller, brake line tools, pull the rubber caps or the plastic or steel caps off trailer bearings. Tools, this is for doing your stupid 5/16 square style slack adjusters. Yeah. Also, this is a universal too. Cage bolt, more cage bolts for doing the small disc brakes, pushing the piston. Okay. Power probe 3. It's on fire. Full fucking testing kit. Just a Sears voltmeter. Works really good. Battery tester, timing light. Just a standard Matco timing light for when you got to do forklift timings. Okay. Dremel. Mighty Vac setup. Coolant tester, or this is the coolant tester. This is a big kit, big truck coolant tester. Bearing race set. Blue Point Master disconnect set. Oh, this is the bearing race. That was a flare tool. Here's an oil pressure gauge snap-on. Yeah. Pretty much works good for doing trucks and when you gotta disconnect the Ford stuff. Matco compression tester. Yeah. Doing forklifts and trucks, automotive. No, drill doctor. Can't leave home without it. Yeah. That's everything. The big fucking half-inch, or the big snap-on pry bar. Titties.